everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad to another reaction video kasi trending na naman. Actually, always naman, hindi na natin yan. Hindi na natin yung kailangan what do you call this? Hindi na natin kailangan paano ba? Hindi na natin kailangan, sorry, parang malamig yung, yung face ko. Malamig kasi siya. Anyways, hindi na natin kailangan sabihin or what. Kasi always na din naman trending ang Donbell. Pero gagawa tayo ng reaction video sa Donbell. So without further ado, let's all watch this. May vlog si Donnie. Hindi ko na magawan kasi Saturday ngayon. Ang dami kong naka-line up. Anyways.
There you have the audacity to insinuate that I should tolerate such diabolical incidents from a minor scrap of humanity such as yourself.
Anong sinasabi niya?
I would have felt these my physical
Expensive
powers.
naman.
So in other words,
Gwapo niya. With Donnie given million sa old school. Wow!
offer this to the learning tree, and you can use this however you please, because I trust that your judgment is right. So I will be giving you a check of 1 million pesos, please.
Oh my God! 1 million Donato Productions. That's why they are truly blessed din talaga because they are paying it forward actually. Naniniwala talaga ako na pag hindi ka madamot talaga, hindi talaga. Because they are paying it forward eh. Kaya ganun. Ang gwapo ni Donnie. Gwapo ni Donnie. Ano to? Savior? Savior ba siya nag-school?
Thank you. Sure.
Ano tong school na to? Savior pa to? May yung vlog kasi hindi ko pa gawan. Tsaka paramihin muna natin yung views ni Donnie doon. Di ba?
I would like to
Taray?
offer this to the learning tree, and you can use this however you please, because I trust that your judgment is right. So I will be giving you a check of 1 million pesos, please.
1 million pesos. Can you just imagine that? It's 1 million. It's 1 million, dear. Grabe. Whatever. No. Oh my God. Ay. Taray, no? Diyos ko, Bel, sa'yo yan? Swerte mo naman, Bel. Swerte mo naman, Bel. Just...
Speaking of trauma, ako yung na-trauma kay Teacher Fe.
Okay. What is this?
Hindi kasi si Teacher Fe, discipline, pero may point
Discipline.
naman. Pero ako kasi nung bata ako, siyempre shy ako, pag pinapagalitan ako, talagang natatrauma talaga ako. Because Teacher Fe has been our teacher ever since I was in the other branch, preschool. I would be in the monkey bars. I would be in my diapers. Nakikita ko na si
Diapers.
Teacher Fe. Do you even remember me, Teach?
Of course.
During that time? Was I makulit?
Hindi naman.
Can I share one story that I remember? It's one of my core memories in my life. So we were doing this activity. You were the teacher. It was upstairs beside the bathroom. We were doing this activity. I don't know if you were the sub, but you were the teacher during that time. And the activity was we had to spell our name.
Ah, yes.
You remember this? Donato, I put. And then you have to
Donato.
put adjectives.
Yes. Describe yourself.
Eto na. I didn't do my homework. For some reason, feeling ko may feeling si Teacher Fe na alam niya na hindi ko nagawa eh. So sabi niya sa amin lahat, okay, we're gonna present. First up, Donnie. Oh my gosh. So I was like,
Oh my
what do I
gosh.
do? I completely forgot about that homework. So Kunyari, naghahanap ako sa sa folder ko. Oh my gosh, anong sasabihin ko ngayon? Wala akong mahanap talaga. And the teacher was like, in front of everyone, did you do it?
Did you do it?
Sabi ko,
Teacher floor. Teach.
I did not do it. And then she was like, so what are you gonna do now? And I was like, do it? And she's like, do it now. So while they were all presenting, I was doing it. And then when I was done, she said, Donnie, do you want to go up in front? I had to take the walk of shame. Slowly. Kasi everyone did it eh. But then I presented it well naman. So that's one of my core memories, Teach. She gave me another chance. I got to present. Oh, look what happened.
Ginawan mo ng paraan. Yeah.
Teach, as much as hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko nung time na yun, I just want to say thank you. Kasi yung mga times na yun, kailangan ko yun. And syempre, nung tumanda na
Wapo ni
ako,
Donnie.
naisip ko yun eh, baka may sasabihin si Teacher Fe.
Ay, sasabihin si Teacher Fe. Anyway, ay, ano to? Cute. Super, oh my God. Ay, akala ko super crunch na chips. Hans pala. Yes. Hindi niya kasama si Belle dyan? Si Belle, anong ganap ni Belle lately? Ay. Hello. Iba yung smile niya talaga. Okay.
Super amazed talaga ako sa mga tao na
Ay, naa-amaze din ako, mami. Charis, ay, eto talaga. Eto talaga, Diyos ko. Utos na yung management. Dahil alala ko dati, nag-uuna pala akong gumagawa ng reaction video. Kinukontra na yung reaction ko sa Donbell. Utos daw kasi ng management. Charis. Ay, naalala ko yan. Ay. Ang cute nila. Can we lie alone forever? Eh. Points to this. I love the song. From the time. Parang napaka-fragile talaga ni Belle. Actually, fragile talaga si Belle, no? Need talaga ng tipong alagaan talaga siya. You know what I mean? Ay, Don Bell ba to? Si Donnie sa Hans. Ay, guwapo. Guwapo na kahit. Ano bang ganap ni Belle? Bakit wala tayong Belle Mariano for today's video? Ay, wow. Ay, nang asap to. Ay, kapit na kapit Hindi ko to nakita. Munang asap nga to. Ay, nahuli ni Robby. Nahuli ni Robby. Si Robby, chismoso din. Napaka-chismoso pa naman ni Robby So, totoo lang. Okay. Ay, atake. Diba? Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Donbell compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!